So you want to make money online. Great. You have zero capital. Also great. You have a phone, a Wi-Fi connection, and a dangerous amount of free time. That is literally all you need. But before you Google how to get rich fast and fall into a pyramid scheme run by a guy in a rented Lamborghini, stay here, because we are going to talk about real ways, legal ways, ways that actually work. No investment required. Just your time, your brain, and the stubborn refusal to stay broke. Let's go. Method 1. Freelancing. This is the fastest way to make money online with zero capital. Pick one skill. Just one. Canva design, basic video editing, transcription, data entry, copywriting, virtual assistant work. These are not complicated. While you are watching this, someone is posting a job you could do. Your first job will pay almost nothing. That is fine. You are buying experience, not a yacht. Do 3 jobs for cheap. Get 3 reviews. Then raise your rate. Method 2. Sell digital products. And before you say I have nothing to sell, yes you do. Canva templates, resume templates, budget planners, social media caption packs, study guides, recipe books, workout plans. If you know how to do something, anything, you can package it and sell it. Here is the beautiful part. You make it once. You sell it forever. While you sleep. While you eat. Every product you create is a tiny salesperson working for you 24 hours a day. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, Shopee, Facebook Marketplace. Even your own Instagram page. Zero overhead. Zero inventory. That is it. The hardest part is not making the product. The hardest part is deciding to start. Method 3. Content creation. You don't need to be interesting. You need to be consistent and useful. Pick one topic you know something about. And I know what you are thinking again. I don't have camera wrong again. You already have the equipment. Your phone. That is it. Just you, your phone, and something useful to say. Monetization takes time. 6 months to a year minimum. But here's the thing. You are building an asset. Every video you post is a salesperson working for you 24 hours a day forever. Your first video will be terrible. That is completely normal. Even the biggest creators on YouTube have a first video they want to delete. So start ugly. Start small. Start now. Just start. Method 4. Online selling. And no, you do not need capital for this either. Ever heard of dropshipping? You list a product. Someone buys it. The supplier ships it. You never touch anything. No supplier? Try ref selling. Find cheap items on Alibaba. Post them in Facebook groups at a higher price. Coordinate the delivery. Pocket the margin. No warehouse, no stock, no risk. Just your phone and sock. Start with one item, one listing, one sale. Then use that profit to buy more stock and list again. That is how every big online seller started. Not with a warehouse. Method 5. Online tasks and microjobs. This one is for when you want money today, not next month, not next week, today. What exactly are microjobs? Tagging images, transcribing audio, testing websites, answering surveys, writing short reviews. Each task pays a few cents to a few dollars. Think of microjobs as your survival income while your real income is loading. Do microjobs in the morning. Build your freelancing profile at night. Create content on weekends. The internet is a giant machine that always needs human input. Congratulations. You are officially employed. Zero capital. Zero excuses. 5 methods. All free. All real. All starting with just your phone and your time. Freelancing. Digital products. Content creation. Online selling. Microjobs. Pick one. Start today. Stay consistent. 6 months from now, thank yourself.